Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm gonna be showing you step-by-step how to be a local marketing agent. You're gonna learn how you can earn $100,000 or more per year in this business model. Some people are even earning close to $500,000 a year as local marketing agents. Help build your community and involve yourself in the community, and also advertising social media and social media ads, just like you're using social media right now, so it should be pretty easy. Let's go into it. I'm gonna go step by step, all of the requirements, who can do this, and how you get started step by step. Let's go. So let's go through the requirements of what it takes to become a local marketing agent and how you get started. You need to be located in one of these 5 countries: USA, Canada, UK, Australia, or New Zealand. That's because we work with Stripe, and Stripe only pays out to these countries, and we only work with English-speaking countries right now and local businesses right now. So you need to be in these countries. Sorry, Nigerians and Bangladeshis, I know you guys are big fans of mine. Also, you need a bank account because that's how you're gonna get paid. We do direct deposit every month to your bank account that you earn commissions as a local marketing agent. Now, how much you'll make per client? You will be making $75 to $300 a month per client. So that's how much is paid out, and you're gonna need to talk to people. So if you're afraid of talking to people, if you're afraid of dealing with your local community on the phone or in person, then I don't know who you are, because everybody I know opens their mouth and talks to people. But this is a part of working with local businesses. Local business owners want some sort of personal connection, whether that's over the phone or in person preferably. Now, the opportunity here is huge because we've paid out over $4.5 million so far in my affiliate programs. Again, $4.5 million is the amount of commissions that I have paid out to affiliates through the companies that I run. So we build incredible marketing funnels. We build high converting products and services that you can market yourself and earn a lot of money from, and we have a great track record of doing so. Now, the step-by-step to get started, the first thing is when you're dealing with local businesses, when you're selling business services, you need to come off more professional in order to sell to businesses. Again, you can't be wearing an old beat up Lincoln Park t-shirt and sweats and look like you just rolled out of bed in the morning and have a business owner take you seriously. I also recommend you get our business cards printed out. There's a link in the description. This is an example of my business card that I printed out, and I have another video which I'm gonna link to in the cards above that will show you step by step how to get your own business cards for free if you have a printer. Now, in the accompanying video, which I'll also put a link to in the description, I show you how you can order a box of business cards for $9, and this will get people to take you much more seriously when you're selling business services to them. Now, you see here, I got a whole bunch of these for only $9. It's very cheap to order business cards, and it makes you come across much more professionally, and it'll be a great way. You put your affiliate link on there too, you get people calling you, and you can sell these business services and get your monthly recurring revenue going up. So you got your business cards out of the way. The next thing you need to do to be taken more seriously as a person that's offering business services, which is advertising, to local businesses is get the MT Polo, okay? That's marketing tech. That's the software you'll be working with. That's my company. Get the Polo. It just makes you come across more professionally. Again, going into a business and expecting them to take you seriously with a t-shirt on, with representing nobody but yourself, doesn't seem very professional, and frankly, it seems sort of shady, and I might be worried that you're some type of scam, trying to pull some sort of scam on me. Get the t-shirt. I'll have a link somewhere down in the description or in the comments so that you can order the t-shirt. So when you go around your local community, you can come across as a professional, or when you're meeting with these businesses. And the most important step is to sign up for our software. The software is free to sign up for and get started with and earn money from. We don't require any payment for us to pay you money. and the software will do all of the work for you, and you can use, in the software markets the local businesses. It gives you a link to send to the local business owners so they can sign themselves up for online advertising on Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube. Again, we do advertising for local businesses on all of these platforms, and our software handles everything and pays you your 30% commissions. John, I have a question. Where can I get your hat though? This hat? Sorry, we aren't selling that online yet, but we will soon. And if there's anything else you want, let me know in the comments below. Pens, notepads, whatever, and we'll try to create some materials around that. John, I have another question. Go. How do I get started? How do I get in front of local business owners so that I can sign them up and send them links? Now, the first way you get started is business owners you interact with every single week or month on a regular basis. Let people know. You never know who might be interested. Your dentist might be interested in online advertising. Your local restaurant manager might be interested in online advertising. The person you go to get massages or acupuncture, or you have fix your computer, might be interested in online advertising for their business. Just let people know that you started a new position and you are selling online advertising, and you're looking for local business owners to work with that are interested in online advertising. Again, you don't need to hard sell anybody because this is a product that folks already want. Local business owners are dying to get online and get their business advertised on social media. Everybody's on their phones these days, and we make it incredibly simple and have no fees, no retainers. The business owners just pay for the costs of advertising with our product. So you just asked the business owner. We also just wanted to let you know, I just took on a new position. I'm a marketing agent for a software company. We sell online advertising to local business owners, and we set it all up, and no retainer fees, there's no fixed costs, no commitments. So I was wondering if you knew any business owners that might be interested in getting some online ads set up for them. The second way you get started and get in front of local business owners is email. Introduce yourself via email. Let people know, let local business owners know that you have online ads and you can set them all up for them for a very cheap cost. And our software, once you go through the software, you'll see we have a whole section that allows you to find the contact information of local business owners in your area. Now, a few segments I suggest you start out with are plastic surgeons, dentists, lawyers, roofers, and HVAC repair. That's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning repair. These 5 niches are really great because the business owners, they work in a competitive market. They have each customer is extremely valuable to them. Worth thousands of dollars to the business owner. So they're willing to spend $250 to $1,000 a month on social media advertising very fast in order to get in front of people, because one deal might be worth $10,000 or more to these businesses. And the third method that you can use to market your new business is you can actually buy advertising for your own business. And our software makes it easy to advertise your own consulting services in your local area very easily through it. And once you sign up through our software, which is marketingtech.io, the sign up process again is free, and it goes through all of the training that you need to understand how to use marketing tech, how you get paid commissions, when you get paid commissions, and setting up your banking information so we can send you commissions, and shows you how to sign up businesses and promote your own business, your new local marketing agency. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big hoorah in the comments below. Hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. I'm coming out with regular content here on how you can make money working from home, working in your local community, and just generally being a successful human being on your own terms. Let's get it.